This is question 55 of Civil Engineering paper of GATE 2016 forenoon session. The vertical angles subtended by the top of a tower T at two instrument stations set up at P and Q are shown in the figure. The two stations are in line with the tower and are spaced at a distance of 60 meter. Readings taken from these two stations on a leveling staff placed at the benchmark are also shown in the figure. The reduced level of the top of the tower T is. So, in this question a tower is given. The vertical angles subtended by the top of a tower are taken from two stations P and Q, and the angles from P and Q are 10.5 degree and 16.5 degree respectively. These two stations P and Q and tower, all three are in line, or all three are in one line. The distance between these two stations P and Q are 60 meter, and the staff reading of P and Q from a benchmark are 0.555 and 2.555 respectively, and this the reduced level of the benchmark is 450. Now, by using this data, we need to find the reduced level of the top of the tower, which is designated here as T. So, now this question is from the topic of leveling. You may study about leveling and how to take readings using this staff. You may study in detail in module 5, lecture 1, surveying by Professor Bharat Lohani, IIT Kanpur. So, now in this figure, if we see if we suppose this is point A, this is point A and this is point B. So, now suppose the distance from T to A is A. Suppose this is from T to A, this height is suppose H. Now, can we find the distance between A and B? Yes. How? Just we can see here the staff reading of P is 0.555 and staff reading of Q is 2.555, and point A and B are corresponding to this, this is horizontal with A is horizontal to this Q station and B is from P station. So, the RL of A and B will be 2.555 and 0.555. Actually, this will be staff reading. So, for measuring this distance AB, we can subtract this, or we can take the difference of these two readings. So, this will be 2, if we this will be 2.555 minus 0.555. So, it will be 2 meter. So, the distance AB becomes 2 meter. Now, suppose this is point P dash and this is Q dash. So, here in triangle T Q dash A, in triangle T Q dash A, T Q dash A, if we see the triangle T Q dash A, then can we write tan 16.5 degree is equal to this height H divided by this length Q dash A. So, suppose this length Q dash A is, suppose this is x. So, suppose this distance x A is Q dash A is x. So, tan 16.5 degree will be h by x, h by x. So, from here we can write this tan 16.5 degree equal to 0.296 is equal to h by x. So, from here we can write h is equal to 0.296x. Now, coming to this triangle T P dash B. Now, in triangle T P dash B. So, in this triangle we can write this tan 10.5 degree is equal to h plus 2 divided by x plus 60, x plus 60. So, it will be tan 10.5 degree is equal to 0.185 is equal to h plus 2 divided by x plus 60. Now, can we write this 0.185 is equal to h is equal to 0.296 x plus 2 divided by x plus 60. So, from this equation, if we solve this, we will get the value of x as 81.982 meter. So, we got x equal to 81.982 meter. So, now from here we can find the value of h. So, h will be 0.296 into 81.982. So, h will be 24.267 meter. So, now we got the value of h. So, if we have the value of h and we know this staff reading of A we know, and the benchmark from which this is taken the reference, we also know the reduced level of benchmark. Now, so RL of T will be, so here we can write RL of T will be H, this H plus a staff reading of A plus benchmark. So, here the value of H we just calculated, that is 24.267 meter. A staff reading of A is 2.555 and benchmark is 450. So, we got the reduced level of T as 476.822 meter. So, we got the reduced level of the top of the tower, which is designated here as T, is 476.822 meter. So, now we can write here the reduced level of the top of the tower T is 476.822 meter. So, 476.822 is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.